This is Daryl Sweeney, and this is my CS50x Intro to Computer Science project, the Smart Conveyor Automation Simulator in Python. My GitHub account is JEFFWISER25. J is capital and W is capital. My edX account is DARYL small letters _ SWEEN. I'm from Dublin, Ireland. It's the 19th of the 5th, 2026. This is my project. As you can see, it has a start button, a stop button, an emergency stop button, a reset button. It shows system stopped, no item detected, accepted 0 and rejected 0. So when I start the process, the conveyor is running, and as it scans, plastic items are accepted, metal items are rejected, and it counts them, and faulty items are rejected. Now when I stop it, system is stopped, and then I can start it again, and conveyor runs again, and the same process starts. I can press the emergency stop. The emergency stop stops like on a conveyor in a factory. As we can see, logs.csv is the logging of the activity. Just going in here now. It logs the time, it logs since system started, any activity and system stopped. Say when it's plastic or it's metal or it's emergency stop or emergency stop is pressed. This is the class Conveyor Simulator, and it keeps all the functions and variables together. This is the process item function, and the function simulates the automatic processing of random items every few seconds. So your process, these two functions here and here are for the logging. This records the system events like starts, stops, and rejected items on a CSV file like Excel. These are the Tkinter buttons. So this, they were labels up the top, but these buttons are used to control system functions like start, stop, reset, and emergency stop. Thank you. This is my project.